It's hard for me to imagine what was Shenzhen 40 years ago. When I just think about the past 7 years, the city changed like 3 or 4 times already. I mean, I feel I'm already living in the future every day. So it's really hard for me to see what it's going to become in 10 years because the city is changing too fast. I'm engaged in the creative industry. It's been like about 4 years now I started my design company. I can see Shenzhen for creative industry have a really promising future. So I came around 2012. At that time I was a student in industrial design and I joined my school program for 2 years in Shanghai. And I was looking to do internship in a city in China. When I arrived in Shenzhen I felt like, wow, that was exactly the place I was looking for. In the 7 years I spent in Shenzhen I could see how quickly the city is transforming and how many really advanced companies are emerging in Shenzhen. And most of these companies today are eagerly looking for creative industry support because they have the ambition to expand overseas and also expand within Chinese markets. And in that sense, design, branding strategy is really key and critical to their growth and success. I really believe Shenzhen it's a perfect playing ground for creative. I mean, like being creative is a very large word and you have so many ways of being creative. But I think one of the key points is to be creative, you need to be in an environment that helps you to be creative. You cannot just create from nothing. And I think today, if you look at the world, Shenzhen is one of the cities that is the most advanced in like the digital transformation, the new technology implementation. People were seeing Shenzhen as this place to build quick and cheap, and then it became a place where you can build quick but with really good quality, because this ecosystem has been evolving through the years from quick, efficient manufacturing to really innovative, advanced manufacturing, and this addition attracted a lot of startups that can benefit from this strong ecosystem. Shenzhen is always changing, transforming, but I think there is a key point that is following all of that and is always remain the same, is how open Shenzhen is to changes. I can see they are always trying new things, see how it works. Shenzhen is always preparing for the next step. And I think that's what's keeping this city so attractive all over these years. They are not saying, okay, we reached this stage and then now we can just relax. It's like, okay, we're up there, now we can go there. And it's always ambition and trying to reach another stage. So I think that's what makes people come over to Shenzhen, decide to stay and settle here, because they feel like the city itself is fueling your own ambition. When you see this city always improving, getting better, you feel like I should also do the same.